crap is with this lighting? So I have to hold the camera like this because if I put it down here, my lighting is really bad. I need to turn on more lights in my house. Here's another one. This is my second vlog, and I have somebody I want you to meet. No! Don't bite me. I gotta get the fighting. This is my kitty. My baby. He's a sleepyhead. He scratched my mother's leg when he woke up the other day. And now there's like a huge gash on her leg. He didn't do it on purpose though. His name is James. Get a good look at James as he's sleeping. Did you hear him meow? Totally. Okay, so yeah. Everybody has been giving me so many ideas for videos to make. Not really, because absolutely nobody has, really. Like, every time I ask somebody, they'll be like, I don't have ideas, I'm not good at ideas. And I'm just like, just give me something. So, I mean, if you guys have anything whatsoever that would be, like, really funny or silly or goofy to watch, just let me know, please. Because I am out of ideas. So yeah. I'm gonna try to upload more often. If I don't, it's because I'm either busy or too lazy to upload. And yeah. So until then, goodbye.